new shoes for the Audi S3. Let's unbox the new KPR Rotiform wheels. Jeez! The Rotiform KPR wheels. So they've got this new sort of like section in the centre of them. Oh, absolutely insane are they. And then they've got like a bit of a dish on them and a secondary dish on the inside. So if you have a look, they've got like a bit of a lip, and then on the inside of that lip, they've almost got like another lip. How insane are they? They are so sick. As soon as I found out Rotiform had sent me KPRs in black, I was like, I really want them in silver, but I was really, really tempted to black everything out again and just go full murder. But I would rather silver them. I want to keep the current theme that I've got going with the V1 build on the S3. These look banging. They look absolutely sick. They look actually insane. How sick are these? I really like how they don't have that centre cap section like other Rotiforms. I like how these are like a bit more of like a race style looking wheel. I really like the double lip on them. They're actually really, 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 really cool. Damn! Jeez! Savage. They are one seriously sick set of wheels. I am hyped right now. The next thing we've got to do, we've got to take these two. Tilling, my boy Sam, does powder coating. He's going to powder coat them for me, hyper silver, which is going to be just a flex on the S3. All that Sepang blue, all that chrome, and hyper silver shoes. This is going to be so sick. Tell us where we're going and tell us what we're doing.
We're going to Arnside to walk around.
No, we're not. No, we're not. This is what we're doing.
We're going to the powder coaters.
So we're going to the powder coaters to get these wheels powder coated. However, no one on the channel has heard my car. Oh, I can't do it because the police are there. I was actually going to smoke it off this road.
We're going to the powder coaters to coat the wheels in nice shiny silver stuff.
Yeah. I don't think it's technically paint. I think it's powder.
I think it's ionized powder, right?
Is it?
I don't know, something like that. Leave a comment about if you could have any colour of wheels, but they're not silver and they're not black, what colour they'd be. But you're not allowed silver or black. Yeah, on this car. So it has to be a colour. Can't be silver or black. Can't be white.
What colour would you have? You weren't ready for that, were you?
Red.
Red?
Red.
Damn. I'm hoping to pick these up before the weekend. Whilst you're watching this clip right now, I'm filming this on like a Wednesday. I've got to beg them to have them done by Friday. We'll see. I've got my walking shoes on, which are an old fossil set of outdoor Vans, ready for a long walk. What are you doing?
Putting my gloves on.
Slammed out in Arnside. Currently patiently waiting for my new wheels where I'm going to finish this video. So for now, what are we doing?
Walking.
We're going for a walk. We're at Arnside.
Arnside.
We're at Arnside. It's the weirdest place ever, isn't it?
Yeah, the weirdest place ever.
It's pretty weird, but check out the car, sitting pretty. Damn! The beast should have new shoes on by the end of this video, and we're walking all the way down there.
Seasoned walkers.
Seasoned walkers, no.
Muddy boots. Ooh, boosh.
There's been a few chilled days since the wheels got dropped off. How insane do the new ROTIFORM KPR wheels look in hyper silver? They look absolutely banging. The S3 is going to look nuts. So the first thing we've got to do, we've got to pull the car in and we've got to start installing these wheels. Okay, so I've just had to go all the way to Preston to buy these 4 spigot rings because I don't know whether I've lost them or when I've got sent the wheels, they've not been put in. However, what a nightmare, but I was lucky to get them. They're 57.1 on the inside and 66.6 on the outside. But let's do a live. Do they actually fit? Hell yeah! They fit. Okay. Yes. Finally, this is the moment I've been waiting for. So I'm currently just cracking the bolts on this side. No pun intended, actually cracking. And then I'm going to jack it up, hopefully do 2 wheels at the same time. Lad, what are you fuming about? Why are you fuming?
Great.
Insane. The stock bad boy is leaving. Okay, going for the roti install. Jeez! Damn, feels good to be back on rotis. Okay, this is where I'm at. One wheel is on the rear. As you can see, Kurt's in his S3 outside turning around. Because, I'll show you the lock and wheel nut bolt. So, on the rear of the wheels, which I must say so myself, look absolutely flexing before they've even bagged out. Look at the state of the front wheel compared to the rear wheel. Now, on these wheels, the lock and wheel nut bolt doesn't fit around this. So, long story short, I have to use a stock bolt, but I've not got a spare stock bolt, so Kurt's going to get me one. Okay, we are going for wheel number 2 on the install. Obviously, this wheel's missing a bolt until Kurt gets back. Wheel is off, so we've got 1 stock wheel out there, 1 stock wheel in here. I do like the OEM wheels, I think they are pretty damn cool. I just obviously love the ROTIFORM hype. Damn. Hyper Silver with a flake. I think it's actually got a different name than Hyper Silver, this specific silver. But if you want this silver, you just message Tilling Powder Coaters and just say the same as Harry's. And he'll do it. Get involved. Okay, pretty awkward, but I've just found some before Kurt gets back in that cupboard drawer over there, so I don't even need the ones that Kurt's got now. The bolts are a bit crusty, but they're just wheel bolts at the end of the day.
Got 2 little fit. We're gonna have to use some off mine.
Hey,
What?
I found some. About 2 minutes ago, I've already put them in on this side.
Have you?
Yeah. Damn. Looking rude, boy. Okay, so it has been approximately 24 hours. Spent the day yesterday after I installed the wheels, just enjoying the car. Look at the rotis. You can see them so much better now. The car is clean and now the wheels are popping and nice and clean. Look at the rotiforms. I'm over the moon. Some people might say I'm a predictable guy. I like a German slammed car on air with rotiform wheels. This is the truth. You like what you like. It gets me every time and I am over the moon. We're going to do some cool clips of this. We're going to get it out of the garage and we're going to show you what this thing looks like. From the side, from the back, walk around it, all that stuff. Just in a brief moment, for the end of this episode, we're going to pull it out and take it for a drive. I've actually been machine polishing with my Dars Pro 6. I've been using Koch Chemi, fine cut after heavy cut. I've got something to show you before we go out and show you the wheels fully. I've been using this piece of clay, and this was what my bonnet and one wing had on it. So that was from one wing and one bonnet. Seriously, check this out. I've done the whole bonnet with a clay barred it, fine heavy cut, fine cut, and waxed it. And I want the whole car to look like the bonnet. As you can see, I've done the bonnet and I've done this wing. And they just look phenomenal. Looks like a brand new car. So incredible. And the wheels, my days, sitting pretty on them rotiforms. Okay, I'm currently stood in my doorway. And I'm waiting to go. I've been waiting all day. It's been hours to show you my wheels on my car. Okay, welcome. Check it out. I can't believe how dirty my car is. I've just driven from my house to here. One drive and the car is rotten. I mean, that's not really why we do this detailing stuff. We do this detailing stuff because we just think it's cool. That's more why we do this detailing stuff. But seriously, does it really have to be that dirty off one drive? Check out the car. Okay, we're going to do a little quick walk around of the new shoes. Get used to them, people. You're going to be seeing a lot of these. Damn! Looks a flex, check it. They look massive. Oh my god, the S3 is coming together. Cheeky little walk around. I really like how fat they look. So when it's tucking and it's parked up like this, I really like how thick a lot of these sections look and how thick that bottom section looks when you're just slightly at an angle behind it. Just looks awesome. Let's carry on the walk around. My days. Look at the hoops. Sheesh. Look at all that chrome now tying together. You got the chrome round the windows, you got the chrome wing mirrors, you've got the chrome wheels with the US front grille. It is looking fire in the booth. I'm not sure I'm impressed with how dirty this is after only just machine polishing it. How epic. How just straight epic do them wheels look. OMG. What a build. What a build. This is going to be the end of today's episode. Over on out. I wanted to do a huge thank you to ROTIFORM, Wheel Pros Europe, all the boys over there for hooking me up with a fresh set of wheels for the beast. Make sure you check out the next video. Make sure you get in the comments below. Let me know what you want to see for next weekend's modifications to the Audi S3. Don't forget to get involved. As always, I'll see you in the next episode. Peace out.